Hello friends, myself Dr. Akhilesh. In this video, I will discuss some important MCQs on body water. So let us see the first MCQ. The false statement regarding body fluids is. So we have to select the false statement. So what is the option A? The option A is total body water is 60% of the body weight. So this statement is true because the total body water is 60% of the body weight. So total body water is 60% of the body weight, and this total body water is divided into two compartments. One is called as intracellular fluid and other one is called as the extracellular fluid. This intracellular fluid is more than the extracellular fluid. So this intracellular fluid is equals to 40% of the body weight, and this extracellular fluid is 20% of the body weight. So 20% of the body weight. Now this extracellular fluid, it is divided into two compartments. One is the plasma, which is 5% of the body weight, and the other compartment is the interstitial fluid, which is 15% of body weight. So 15% of the body weight. So let us come to the options again. The total body water is 60% of the body weight. So this statement is true. The intracellular fluid is 40% of the body weight. So this statement is also true. And the extracellular fluid is 20% of the body weight. So this statement is also true. The interstitial fluid volume is 5%. So this is wrong here. So this is false statement because the interstitial fluid volume is 15% of the body weight. So this statement is false. So our correct answer is D, that is the interstitial fluid volume is 5% of the body weight. This is the false statements regarding the body fluid. So the interstitial fluid volume is 15% of the body weight. Now let us see the second question. So second question is the volumes of intracellular fluid and extracellular fluid respectively in human beings are. So I told you that the total body water is equal to 60% of the body weight. So 60% of the body weight, and this total body water is divided into two compartments. One is intracellular fluid, another one is the extracellular fluid, and the intracellular fluid is 40% of the body weight, and this extracellular fluid is 20% of the body weight. So the body weight, ECF 20% of the body weight. So now let us look at the options here. So ICF, intracellular fluid, is 40% of the body weight. So this is the matching one. ECF is 20% of the body weight. So this also matches here. So 40 and 20% of the body weight. So option D is the correct answer here. Let us look at the third question here. The ratio of ECF to the total body water is. So let us look at this. So total body water, this is equals to 40%. This is equals to the 60% of the body weight. Then this divided into ICF, intracellular fluid. So ICF is 2/3 of the total body water, and 2/3 of total body water is 40% of the body weight, and this remaining will be the ECF. So ECF will be 1/3. So ECF is 1/3 or equals to 20% of the body weight. So what will be this ratio? So ECF is 1/3 of the total body water. So this answer comes out to be A, 1:3. Now let us look at another sample question here. The true about body water. What is true about the body water? So I have told you that the intracellular fluid is more than the extracellular fluid volume, and the ICF is how much? So I told you this is 40% of the body weight, and ECF is 20% of the body weight. So majority is outside the cell. So this is wrong statement because majority is inside the cell. So ICF is 40%, so majority is inside the cell. So majority is inside the cell, this is the true statement. Equal on both sides, this is the false statement. And plasma volume. So I told you that this ECF is divided into two compartments. So one compartment is the plasma, which constitute 5% of the body weight, and other one is the interstitial fluid. So interstitial fluid, so this constitute the 15% of the body weight. So this plasma volume is 10% of the body weight. This statement is wrong because the plasma volume is 5% of the body weight. So out of these one, which statement is true? So answer B is true, that is majority is inside the cell. Now let us look at another question here on this, the body water. So in a 70 kg man, the volumes of water inside means inside the cell or intracellular fluid, and outside means the extracellular fluid. So outside the cells are. So we have to tell how much is in the ICF and how much is the ECF. So body weight is 70 kg man. So in a 70 kg man, ICF is equals to 40% of the body weight. So 40% of the body weight means 40% of the 70 kg. So this comes out to be 28 liter. And the ECF. So ECF is 20% of the body weight. So this comes out to be 20% of 70 kg. So this comes out to be 14 liter. So ICF is 28 liter and ECF is 14 liter. So our answer is C, option C, 28 liter and the 14 liters. You can visit Facebook page, our Facebook page, the physiology MCQ, for more questions on the physiology and more questions on the various topics of the physiology. So thank you very much for watching this video.